Good morning and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle. I'm here today to show you our latest listing, this beautiful 2001 A36 November 136 Golf Hotel. Step in, let's have a closer look. As pilots, once we get our license, we all want to go higher and faster. November 136 Golf Hotel, this airplane only has 2,450 hours total time since new. Now this is a brand new IO 550 300 horsepower engine. And if you've priced these lately, you know they're around $67,000, $68,000. This airplane only has 670 hours on this engine. It says 1,900 hour TBO engine. You can see here we have gammy injectors as well. And this 3-blade heated prop, also only 670 hours since overhaul. So you're ready to go places. You've got this 300 horsepower IO 550 engine. The Bonanza has 80 gallons total fuel, 74 of that is usable. You can see this airplane, we have vortex generators that lowers your stall speed, makes the airplane safer, and you get around 800 nautical miles with this airplane. The paint on November 136 Golf Hotel is in beautiful condition. This is original paint. It's Matterhorn white with regimental blue and gold striping, and again in beautiful condition. One of the many reasons that people buy the A36 is for the big double cargo doors that you see here. We've got club seating. This is a configuration that it comes from the factory. However, you can turn those middle seats around if someone doesn't like to fly backwards. Also on the rear seats here, we can simply grab that latch, fold this up. We've got a hook to hold it in place if you need some extra cargo space, or you can remove these two rear seats by simply pulling the bottom cotter pin. As we step into the interior on 136 Golf Hotel, you can see there's plenty of room here. I'm 6'2", I've got plenty of headroom here. The seats are in very nice condition. As we pan around the side panels as well, the plastic looks good. G&D tinted window inserts, these really help on the heat and the cooling. Headliner is in great shape. I've got my executive writing table out here. There's a 6-place intercom system with Bose connectors, factory air conditioning. We have our own WeMax, our own lights. This is a great way to travel. The panel on November 136 Golf Hotel is a very good IFR platform. We have a Garmin 530W, Garmin 430W, a Garmin GMX 200 multifunction display. Now this has FSB weather and traffic. It also has chart view, which is under subscription. We have a Garmin GTX 345 transponder, so you have your ADS-B in, out, and your FSB weather. We have Ryan 9900BX active traffic system. We have a free flight radar altimeter system, a WX500 storm scope, and a 3-axis KFC 225 autopilot. Other features that you will enjoy on 136 Golf Hotel include 3-blade hot prop, factory air conditioning, wing vortex generators, vertical card compass, gammy fuel injectors, dual braking system, standby pressure system, executive writing desk, Rosen Sun Visors, true airspeed indicator, G&D tinted window inserts, JPI 700 engine monitor, standby BNC alternator system, clear voice gear warning system, and LED landing and taxi lights. So if you're in the market for an early 2000s A36 Bonanza, make plans to visit us in Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. Take a closer look at 136 Golf Hotel. This is a 2,450 hour airplane since new, 670 hours on a brand new IO 550 300 horsepower engine, factory air conditioning, Garmin equipment, vortex generators, a lot more stuff. Give us a call, Greensboro, North Carolina, Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle. Thanks for watching.